walk. Ooh, he got that serious ass walk. I'm fucking sick and tired of your shit right now. We're gonna take right care of business. Oh shit. Oh nah, he wants something else. He don't want no taco. Oh shit. Wait a minute. They want some more shit.
That's what I'm looking for. He's like, get his food. Hey, Funky Town! Come get your food.
What the hell going on? Somebody up here wanting.
Look out!
Look out. Who they looking for? I done ran everybody the hell off though. Look at him. Boy, he got a warrant too. Oh, 434 dispatch. We got a 287. What's going on? I don't know what happened, man. I'm trying to figure it out. I thought one of y'all fucked up here. Oh, that's one of them black police officers. Them sheriffs that don't be playing no games. Say, man, I'm tired of all these false calls and alerts. Yeah, look, he got that. Look, shaking that head. Ooh, he's shaking that head. Okay. Yeah, let me get my backpack. Damn, hey! Now, that's got my partner security right there. Hey! Hey, Mr. Security Man. Mr. Security Man, can you give me my backpack over there?
Give you your what?
My backpack. I got my backpack over there. Zip it up for you. Everything will fall out. .434 dispatch. We have a report. All right, look out. Hey. Yeah. I sure appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Thank you. I gotta get out of here now. Look out. I don't know. They ain't tell me yet. I don't wanna. I thought he was just hungry. I see he ain't hungry.
Apparently somebody ran from the law.
Oh, they did.
I don't know what's up with that.
Damn. He ran.
Two slow ass cars.
I don't want to see him no damn man.
What happened, look out?
They ain't told me nothing.
No gunshot, y'all heard anything?
No, we ain't heard no gunshots.
No gunshots.
Because you would have it on the video. Show them.
Damn, he done came strapped.
I want to look like the person.
What kind of gun is that? He done brought that big old ass gun. What are you doing with that? Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings. They talking about you the one called them.
No, I didn't call them.
Oh, no, not this time.
I didn't call them.
Oh, but you do be calling though.
Oh, you almost
Hit that trash. Yeah, you do already got shit.
Look, them sheriffs be wanting to make a shakedown. Gonna stomp it. Goose it or something. Let me see some. Police puts a gap on police. Man, he got this boo-boo music, man. I don't know who that is. But anyways, y'all, I done had a good night with you. We're gonna hit y'all up tomorrow.
Look out.
Look out.
What happened, man?
I don't know, they ain't told me.
They
nothing
said
yet.
someone stolen vehicle. I've heard gunshots. I've heard.
Yeah. You gonna just finish my drink?
He
Damn,
look like he might know something.
they ain't want me to have my drink. Hey, look out. But anyway, y'all have y'all a good night, man. I done had a good night with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let me go and get in the car.
Must be like The Matrix, that movie The Matrix.
Go all the way around where the tower is. Down there's the raptor side. He might know something too. He's our live streamer. You know anything?
What happened?
Any
What's
gunshots?
going on?
I
Any gunshots?
just seen the police pull up. I ain't heard no gunshots.
Okay, well,
That's what
somebody
they-
called in that somebody was shot.
What?
That's why they're here. So, I mean, if you know, I don't know. You're our live streamer.
I didn't hear anything.
Nah,
'cause
I ain't
wouldn't
heard
know.
nothing. Yeah, Lord of the Rings got the thing on. It would have ring.
Huh? What?
Yeah, he ain't nothing. No gunshots. Yeah, they talking about there's some gunshots. They done pulled up with AR-15s. Hey. Yeah, it's the Dallas County Sheriff. This is our live streamer right here. And if anyone knows anything, go ahead and just contact him. This is his YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. But anyway, y'all. Hey. I'm finna go get in my race car and take this bit real far. Full enough. Alright, y'all have y'all a good night, man. Share, like, subscribe. If you got any sponsors out there, y'all hit me up. Got any people want to donate? Hey, 214-514-9545. Zelle, PayPal, Apple Pay, Cash App, all that. Look out.